Hi guys, welcome to Switch It blog. We are here to talk about the current situation in the points table. Where do all the teams look right now? Yesterday's games, the two games where Mumbai Indians and CSK won, and tomorrow's game, which is between RR and Mumbai Indians. So Dipta bhai, what do you think? Delhi Chargers right at the top now,
Yeah,
and to
Delhi
finish
Chargers
in the
have
top two.
been probably the strongest side in this tournament. Maybe Mumbai could argue against that, but yes, they both of them should finish at the top. In my opinion, RCB still looks like they'll end somewhere in the top four.
They're looking dodgy after tonight with that
Yeah,
huge
yeah,
defeat. Their net run rate has gone down as well
yeah,
immensely. So they are now looking a little dodgy in my
yeah,
sense. So in my view, right now, the four teams which won't make it, in my view, are Rajasthan Royals won't make it. In my view, Kings 11 Punjab don't look like they have. So if 5 games are done and you have not yet figured out what your best 11 is, or you're still a long way from figuring out who your four overseas players should be.
yeah,
So then it's very unlikely that they'll come back and win, say, three or four on the trot. They
yeah.
have the talent. Their key players are performing, but the worry is that they are losing even after their key players are performing.
Yeah.
So I don't think Kings 11 will make it. I don't think Sunrisers will make it. So these three teams, I think will be the
Yeah, I
will be the
agree
bottom.
there.
And then the one team which I think then it will be a toss up between RCB, KKR, and CSK.
Yeah,
For the other team which
other
will
two.
miss out.
Yeah,
Yes.
I think
So
KKR will eventually miss out. Um,
my view is that RCB will miss out because the problem with the RCB side, I think, is that after a couple of games, if they lose a couple of games, say close games or anything like that,
they
so
tend to continue that. And
they
yeah,
tend to go into a free fall wherein they
yeah.
keep losing, and then start making changes to the side. So they'll go into that cycle again, which we have
The
seen in the
problem,
past.
the problem I see with KKR is actually Dheeraj had in one of the comments had pointed out that KKR has the weakest Indian contingent in the IPL. So that would factor in.
I don't think so. I don't think so because they have Shubman Gill, who is scoring runs. They have two young fast bowlers who have done decently
They have
well
done
till now.
decently, but yes, but as apart
I mean,
as
Varun
well as Varun,
Chakravarti.
but they haven't
Varun
really.
Chakravarti is doing okay. Kuldeep, I'm sure, will show his class later on in the tournament. So I think they are sorted. They have a couple of problems to fix. More specifically, who will open? If
Still,
Rahul
if
Tripathi
we
goes
look
up,
at
then what happens? Yes.
still if we look at other teams, including the ones that we think are definitely not going to make in, their domestic contingent looks weaker than them as well for me.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe
Okay.
even CSK obviously stronger than KKR in the domestic contingent. Even Kings 11
I
Punjab
don't
to
think
have
so.
a.
Matlab CSKB, if we look at man for man, they have got, Kedar Jadhav, who is, not doing anything. MS Dhoni has not done, particularly much with the bat either till now. Jadeja has had a very
Dhoni
ordinary
hasn't really
tournament till now.
Dhoni really hasn't
The
played a
only
lot, and when he has played, he had scored runs, but those were really not
I mean
either
वो तो
not important runs, but
मैच खत्म होने के
हाँ,
बाद रन बनाया है वो yes.
हाँ,
And plus in the bowling only Deepak Chahar has impressed. Piyush Chawla has sort of struggled in the last 3-4 games.
Piyush
Yesterday as
Chawla
well,
will.
CSK did went for 180, which
Yeah,
is slightly above par score at that ground.
hmm,
The average score has been around 160, 170 on that track. They did go for 180. The silver lining was their two openers
yeah,
clicked, and nothing else mattered on that night. But I think CSK. I'd put CSK in the top 4 just because they have this self belief which many of the sides don't have. So they might not have the quality of say a Kings 11 or a KKR, right? But they have that winning belief, that self belief. Even if we have lost 3 games or 4 games, out of 5 6 games, even then we
Even
can come back and win.
even if you
So
look
that.
at India's fast, as in young fast bowlers, yes, they are very good prospects. I agree, but they haven't really set the stage on fire. They had a couple of games, as in one game where both of them fired together, and a couple of games where, as in one game where Mavi did well and another where Nagarkoti did well. Other than that, they have been. Uh, I would not
They've
say.
been okay. I mean, you
Yeah,
can't say that they have been. They haven't been as as bad as RCB bowling attack or Kings
yeah,
11 bowling attack, right?
yeah,
So I mean, I think with the kind of balance they have, that is why I think DK and McCullum go in with that many options, because their bowlers are young and they like to have 6 7 options, 28 to 30 overs in the bank. And considering the fact that DK hasn't scored any runs till now, he will eventually come good. I'm sure about that.
yeah,
Russell hasn't done much in the tournament till now, and still they have got I think 2 wins under the belt.
yeah.
My hunch is that KKR will be one of the 4 sides at the top. So I would put DC, MI, KKR, and then one out of CSK or RCB. So tonight will hurt RCB because that. So in the last 2 games there has been a huge turnaround. CSK recovered a lot of the net run rate last night,
Yeah,
and RCB lost a lot of the net run rate tonight.
yeah.
So but these are things which will keep swinging. We are still pretty early in the tournament. Each side
Yeah.
has 9 more
Not
games
even
left.
30% of the games are done. So
Yeah,
yeah,
9 more games left for each of the sides. So I think we have some way to go.
yeah.
But clearly DC and Mumbai look like the sides who will go as one and two in on the table. So yesterday's game, I think how do you read the performance of Kings 11? More importantly, where do they go from here? What
They have
what they can fix in their side now?
they have been very flat, and probably it looks more of a as in it looks like they have resigned to the fate that their bowling is not performing well anymore, and they'll have to get a lot of runs.
Hmm.
And that is, as in they have done that and still they're failing. So I don't see a way they can change things around. They'll probably have to bring Mujib in and fit him somewhere, probably in place of Maxwell. Um, and what do you think?
So
Maybe
when
bring
do they
again?
press the panic button and bring in Mujib and Gale in place of a Maxwell or a Cottrell or a
Yeah,
Jordan again, right? Because domestically, I don't think they can do much from here.
yeah.
I think
Buddha is the only option.
the only bowler of note sitting outside, I think, is Mohit Sharma, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah,
Mohit Sharma has done decently well in the past, but I don't think he'll make much of a difference. He's quite capable of
didn't he
going
get
at 10 and
didn't
over.
he get one game and
He got a
got
game
around?
right at the start.
Yeah,
Right at the start, yes, yes. So I think they don't have much of of domestic options now. Mandeep played yesterday. He did well. So
yeah,
whoever is playing is doing well, and yet they are managing to lose the games somewhere. So I think it's time they finally run out of patience with Maxwell after 5 consecutive
yeah,
poor seasons after 2014. They
yeah,
might probably give 4 or 5 games to Gale. Uh,
yeah,
Maybe I think KL Rahul can come down at 3. Gale and Man can open. KL can come down at 3, and Puran at 4.
yeah.
I mean, if you are losing, you have to make some changes at the end of the day. So let's see how that
This
goes.
phenomena though, and I've seen this with most fans. Probably I do it as well. Somebody who is sitting outside the team, as in not in the 11, suddenly becomes better than every other player in the 11 if your side is losing. Do you
Yeah,
think
that happens all
that
the time. Yes.
do you think that's
Yeah,
happening
I
here
think
as
that's
well?
pretty normal.
Yeah, do you
Yeah,
think that's happening here
and
as
that is
well? As
all the
in,
more there in the IPL because you have so many options.
yeah,
So you still have a Mujib sitting outside, you still have a Gale sitting outside. So if you have those options and you are seeing that you are already at the bottom of the table, there's no harm in trying out
yeah,
Gale instead of Maxwell. So or maybe send Maxwell at the top. Why not? Send
absolutely.
Maxwell at the top, give him a freedom to play
Yeah,
in the power play, do something different, and
yeah, do something different.
just see whether
Absolutely.
something clicks or not. Because right now they are doing everything what they can and they're still losing. So so that's a bit of a worry for a quality side like Kings 11. They have got good Indian players. They have got explosive batsmen like Maxwell and Puran. They have got good fast bowlers, and they have got Kumble on the sidelines, Jaunty Rhodes as well. So that's a good unit, and you want to see them do well. So let's hope they they come back into the tournament, make it more exciting.
Yeah,
If you have all the 8 teams competitive towards the second half of the tournament, it becomes all the more exciting in terms of the points table. I
yeah,
think Sunrisers missed a great opportunity yesterday to upset Mumbai Indians.
yeah.
They had
And
a great
Mumbai was
chance. They had
actually at the state, as in at the end of the 19th over, the state they were in, they were not getting an above par total, they were getting a below par total.
correct.
And
Yes, yes,
this
yes.
was the 20 runs by Sunal made it a par total for the ground.
And still, yeah, 208 is still
Yeah,
par at that
yeah,
ground. Yes, and given the fact that they have a top heavy batting order, and Priyam Garg had scored runs in the previous game, so they had a good chance. If a couple of players at the top had stuck around with Warner, maybe a Bairstow or a Manish Pandey or a Kane Williamson. If somebody had stuck around with Warner,
I
the
actually
story might
wanted
have
to
been
discuss
different for
Manish Pandey.
Sunrisers.
Um,
Yeah.
he has been playing in the IPL since a long time. He has gone for a lot of money almost every year, and he has always been giving out middling performances. Probably an average of 30 odd and a strike rate of 115, 120 is what he has done throughout. Does
Mhm.
he, as in, do
I
we
think
see
that
him
has
as a
been the
T20 player?
story of. I think that has been the story of Manish Pandey throughout his career.
Yeah, as
Manish
in,
Pandey, I remember, was one of the star players of the Under 19 World Cup in 2008.
I
In
remember
that
he
Virat
scored
Kohli's team,
the first
he
IPL
was the
century by
first
an Indian,
Indian to he was
2009
the
or
first
10.
Indian to score a century in 2009
Yeah,
in Johannesburg or Centurion, if I'm not wrong. He was the
yeah,
first Indian to score a IPL century. So he was a very promising player. Did well for Karnataka in the first couple of years, but then he lost his way, never made his place in the Indian side. Then with T20 catching up even more, he changed his game. Try to fit into the T20 side. So his story has been of very promising, but not
fulfilling
delivering the way.
prophecy, so
Yes,
to
so
speak. Yeah,
you would expect that a Manish Pandey will do the job for SRH. Was what KL Rahul does for Kings
yeah,
11, or what some other top players do for their teams,
yeah,
right? What Sher is now doing for DC. He's leading
yes,
their side. He's scoring a ton, lots of runs, right? So you expect. And Manish Pandey, I thought 10, 12 years back that he was that class of player.
yeah,
But it's just that it happens that some people just don't live up to the expectation which you have from them. Actually, in that 2008 team, I think after Virat Kohli, he was the most talented player on view.
yeah,
And I had seen that 2008 under 19 World Cup. I had followed that, and we had Jadeja there, Siddharth Kaul there. You had Shrivats Goswami, who was a very
yeah,
classy left-hander, and you had Manish Pandey and Virat Kohli, who were the mainstay of the batting. So, and at that point of time, Virat Kohli was still the better player, but Manish Pandey was not very far behind.
yeah,
So if you look at how their careers have spanned over the past 10 years, Manish Pandey has not lived up to his potential, and that reflects the way he plays for SRH right now. he has been given the number 3 slot ahead of Kane Williamson, and it's been 5 games.
I
He's not
think
won
I
him
somehow think that's
even one
speaking
game.
more about them trying to space out their better batsmen than the confidence on Pandey to be the number 6.
I don't think so. They are they are actually betting big on Pandey, and I mean, if you have
As
Kane
in,
in the side, I would put him at 3 rather than 4.
yeah,
Give him the maximum number of balls. But I think Warner and these people, Lakshman rate Pandey very high. And I mean, it's about time Pandey lives up to to that expectation for SRH.
yeah,
He needs to go out there and play a couple of match winning.
yes,
So if you have to win 8 games for SRH, Manish Pandey has to win them 2 games out of the
yeah,
8 games, which they need to reach the playoffs,
yeah,
because just Warner and Williamson will not win you 8 games. They
yeah,
have already won you 1 or 2 games. So I mean, beyond a point, I think Manish Pandey has what 4 or 5 years of cricket left, because he's at the same age as Kohli and Rohit Sharma. So
yeah,
these are the 2-3 years where he should lead SRH. Apart from Warner, and pull the whole side up. But
yeah,
you don't see that happening in this season. Till now, yesterday was a great chance, but as we said, it was a lost opportunity for them yesterday. Their bowlers had set up the match well.
yeah,
Rashid Khan, showed his class. Gave away less than 20, 24 runs in his 4 overs on
yeah,
that ground. But let's see. I think one factor which played out yesterday, which not many people noticed, was that it was the first day game in Sharjah,
yeah,
and without the dew, batting second was slightly, it looked like it was difficult, because Warner was not middling the ball for quite a while, and towards the last 10-15 overs in the game, it looked like the ball was stopping a bit. So in
yeah.
Sharjah, I
There was
think,
some grip
then if
on
it's a
offer.
day
Yes,
game, you should just bat first, then which Rohit Sharma did yesterday.
yeah,
So
makes
but
sense.
let's see where SRH go from here. Tomorrow we have Rajasthan Royals versus Mumbai Indians. In my book, Mumbai Indians start as favorites again.
Yeah.
I would like to see whether is Stokes back for Rajasthan Royals
As in he is
tomorrow.
back, no, he won't be playing tomorrow. He is
Not playing.
undergoing
He's not
quarantine,
playing tomorrow.
probably a week's
Yeah.
quarantine.
Okay. Okay. And Bhuvi, not Bhuvi. I think. Yeah, nobody's injured for RR.
No, no injury.
I mistook. Yes. So again tomorrow it will be very interesting to see if Jaiswal gets to play or not. Yes. Or does Smith continue to open with
Yeah.
Butler? So it will
Uh,
be very interesting to
I
see.
think one more change that could be there is probably somebody like a what's his name? I guess,
Miller.
yeah, probably Miller getting a game. Probably Shreyas Gopal can be dropped to accommodate maybe an Ashwin Murugan.
Markanday, I think.
Sorry, Markande.
Markanday will come.
Yes.
Yes, Markanday will come. Yes.
These are a couple of
So
changes
RR
that
have, yes. So I think Rajasthan Royals uh, tomorrow, since MI will have Krunal Pandya, so they'll be well advised to have one more left-hander in the
yeah,
middle order apart from Tewatia.
yeah.
So I think David Miller would be a good selection for tomorrow. Let's see how the game goes. Mumbai Indians start as favorites for me. They're a very settled side. They are in a lot of confidence. I would still want to see Coulter-Nile or McClenaghan in place of Pattinson. But let's see. I mean,
Pattinson has
Pattinson
done
is
really
also
well, as in he's
has done decently well. Yes. So let's see. How things go. I'd like to see Hardik
I
Pandya.
think
Take the ball
Pattinson is
as well.
right now among the top five, as in terms of
Yeah,
wickets,
I think he has taken 6 or
6 or 7.
7
Yeah,
wickets. Yes. So let's see how the game
yeah.
goes tomorrow. So thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for following us. Please do like and subscribe our video, and see you tomorrow after the Mumbai versus RR game. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.